Right, we're back at the bungalow project, the renovation project, and the skip's here. We've taken a few bits down and wallpaper's gone. Let's just pop inside and have a little look. There we go. Wow, look at that. The boys have done good. Jesus. So this is the lounge area. All the wallpaper's been stripped. The wall's down. Massive progress. This was the kitchen I showed you earlier before. So the wall's gone. Open it right up now. All the kitchen's gone. Fantastic job. Now we've just got to get rid of this radiator and cap off, stop the leaking. Brilliant job. Had a good job here, boys, haven't you? It's come up nice. It's so much bigger, doesn't it? State of it. Like, the plan is now to cap off this radiator, cut the pipe while it's live, cap it off really quick with some push fittings, so we can remove this radiator here. We're taking that right out there, so we're going to cap it off, cut it live there, put some push fittings on, so hopefully it won't leak too much. We should get away with it.
See it in it? Yeah, just do it quick. Second, he's going to use it.
So we're just cutting this pipe now live, put the end cap on. We're done. Easy. Right, that's the pipe cut off now. We can take this radiator out, get rid of this rad, fold up the copper pipe. Next job. It looks like he's lowered this ceiling down. That's what we've got to come out now, cut through there, rip the ceiling balls down, disconnect those lights.
There you go. Shit.
See, keep that copper pipe, pepping out the front.
Oh. Rip that to shreds.
Okay, go on. Hey?
Do you want to pull this cable at all? Up there. Fucking.
Well, let's get this ceiling down now. I want to whip this down. That's it. Let's get this ceiling down.
Oh, you can't read it! You absolute knob!
Can we rewind that? Can we rewind that? Can't believe it.
Might as well stop. There's no point now.
Can't believe it. They come down one hit. We missed it. Didn't know that was right.
Down there, try and crack it down there. Go up.
Right, that'll do me for today. I'll leave them to it clearing up. They've got to just tidy up the tiles. Ceiling's down the kitchen, so a suspended ceiling. Electric's switched off for now. Got to clean up the tiles. Radiator's capped off, ripped out. So yeah, it's going good, really well. Pleased with progress so far. Catch you in the next one. Bye bye.